of India is affected by conflict. Us one third of India that spans from the northeast to West Bengal, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Maharashtra. More than 2 crore children are coexisting with violence. They experience trauma, they experience all the negative energy, and obviously then they also go through some of the worst human development indicators. In 2015 we were in a class, and we asked children to draw whatever comes into their mind on a piece of paper, and 47 out of 53 children had sketched a combat scene, where the security forces were either killing the tribals, or the tribals were attacking the security forces, or there was a cross firing happening between security forces and the Naxal militia. So a 7 or 8 year old child, if asked to sketch at free will and the child draws a combat scene, that's something to be really worried about. I mean, every child that comes from the space of conflict or adverse geography should have access to safe spaces and excellent education. And Sukma is our operations ground. Currently, we are working with more than 10,000 children over here, out of which 5,000 children were once out of school and now are back to formal education system. Right now, we are focusing on 4 key key products that we think would be useful for a child coming from space of conflict. The first product is personalized learning solutions for children. In tribal areas, in rural areas, most of the schools are single teacher schools. There is huge challenge of multi-grade, multi-level. So how does a child get an opportunity to learn at a pace that is defined by them, suits their learning style? So personalized learning solutions is what we are creating. The second solution that we are working on is ecology curriculum, where we are saying ki, can we use the existing knowledge that the community has, the child has, with respect to their connection with the nature and the way they nurture the local biodiversity, and can we bring it into the school curriculum and map it with the 21st century skills. The third solution that we are working on is called parent engagement tool. So we are saying ki, how can a literate or a semi-literate parent support the learning journey of their children? So if I have to give an example, मैं अगर बैंक जाता हूँ पैसे निकालने 500 रुपए, तो क्या मेरा 6th क्लास का बच्चा पढ़ने वाला बैंक के विड्रॉल फॉर्म पे 500 रुपए वर्ड्स में और न्यूमरल्स में डेट और अकाउंट नंबर के साथ लिख के दे सकता है मुझे? या मेरा 10th स्टैंडर्ड का बच्चा क्या मेरे गवर्नमेंट स्कीम के वेलफेयर फॉर्म्स जो है वो सब भर सकता है? क्या है अगर वो ये भी चीज़ें नहीं बता रहे, तो व्हाट इज द चाइल्ड ब्रिंगिंग फ्रॉम द स्कूल इनटू द कम्युनिटी, और वो कैसे पेरेंट्स एसेस करें और बच्चे को सपोर्ट कर सके उसकी लर्निंग जर्नी में. एंड द फोर्थ प्रोडक्ट दैट वी आर वर्किंग ऑन इज अ कल्मिनेशन ऑफ ऑल दीज, is safe spaces, physical and experiential spaces in communities and schools where the child can experience compassion, empathy, gets the opportunity to be creative, express themselves. When we started Shiksharth, our only idea was कि हम बच्चे के कॉन्टेक्स्ट को लेके कैसे उसके क्लासरूम में पढ़ा सकते हैं. लेकिन जब हम क्लासरूम में बच्चों के साथ और काम किए, वी रियलाइज्ड कि आप बच्चे को लैंग्वेज स्किल्स तो दे सकते हो, लेकिन वॉइस कैसे दोगे? You can teach a child how to read and write, but the child still needs to find that inner voice to express themselves, and that no foundation literacy program or no education program can give. This is my favorite story about a child called Hidma. अभी वो 11th स्टैंडर्ड में है इस साल. So Hidma was part of Bal Sangam of the Naxal militia. Bal Sangam is the children's wing of the Naxal militia. The kids work as informers for the Naxals. उसके बाद he ran away from his village and he himself got enrolled in a residential schools. सुकमा में उसको पोटा कैपिन बोलते हैं. और हिंदी आती नहीं थी, मदर टंग लोकल ट्राइबल डायलेक्ट बोलता था वो गोंडी. So he was already studying when we started intervening in his school. He learnt Hindi, he learnt reading and writing, he learnt how to express himself, and coincidentally वो बच्चा creative था. So he started writing poetry and stories, and वो story or poetry gives the audience a glimpse of what does life look like in Sukma. I mean, just beyond the conflict. एंड देन ऐसे ही मेरे हमारे टीम मेंबर ने सजेस्ट किया को फाउंडर कि इसको हम ऑनलाइन डाल सकते हैं क्या, तो एक उसका ब्लॉग पोस्ट बना, उसको ब्लॉग पोस्ट पे हमने कुछ डाला, उसके बाद ही लर्न टाइपिंग एंड अभी वो टाइपिंग करके अपना ब्लॉग पोस्ट खुद अपलोड करता है। आई थिंक इन द स्कूल्स वेयर वी इंटरवीन, अगर हम वहाँ नहीं होते तो जो सबसे बड़ा जो डिफरेंस आएगा वो होगा विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू चिल्ड्रन। I don't think we contribute much to the infrastructure or the school processes because we work with bare minimum permissions. यहाँ पे हर चीज़ के लिए complete freedom नहीं है करने की. So our primary focus is always on the engagement with the children. So there is a clear demarcation between a Shiksharth classroom and a non-Shiksharth classroom in terms of how children respond to situations and how children engage. And I mean we have had complaints in some of our schools जहाँ पे बच्चे अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए किसी अच्छी चीज़ पे ताली बजा रहे थे और दूसरे टीचर्स ने बोला है कि आपकी कक्षा बड़ी अनुशासनहीन है, इनडिसिप्लिन। सो फॉर देम अ चाइल्ड एक्सप्रेसिंग देमसेल्व्स कि दिस इज़ व्हाट वी फील, वो एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है। सो दैट वी हैव बीन एबल टू ब्रिंग दैट चेंज। समटाइम्स इट इज़ नॉट परसीव्ड वेल, लेकिन sometimes it is taken in a good way. So I think that is one primary difference if Shiksharth doesn't. So I think we, beyond all the tangible impact कि बच्चे का लर्निंग आउटकम बढ़ा, बच्चे का अटेंडेंस बढ़ा, एनरोलमेंट बढ़ा, ये तो ठीक है, ये हमने अचीव किया है, वी हैव दोज नंबर्स, बट देन बियॉन्ड दैट आई थिंक our approach with engaging with children with empathy and compassion in depth, we think we have been able to give some voice to children, and once they grow up they'll be more expressive, they'll be more creative in their approach, and I think they would be having a constructive perspective towards their life and their community.